joining us on this journey as we say farewell to our dear father, Mr. Appollo Nyegamahe. All of us in this room have had a personal experience with our beloved Omugeiga, as he was commonly known by many. Our father was an honorable man, a great man who lived a life of integrity, a loving father who cared about all his children, and he was always careful to know the details pertaining to each and every child, their circumstances, their needs, how he could help us to do better, to be better, and that was evidenced through his high commitment and investment in educating us all. If any of my siblings approached our father and requested education, he would quickly and gladly support them. And I believe that all of my siblings here with me would agree in high appreciation that our Father has left each and every one of us fully equipped with the skills, both in education and life, that we need to build, that we need to add value in the multiple disciplines in which we work as a family. And I believe that he has inspired us to inspire others and to extend our Father's legacy to the next generation, which is our responsibility. One of our Father's biggest and greatest desires was that his family, that is all his children, that we be a people of unity, a team. His words were, "Mukwataganise," and he would encourage us by saying, "Mukwataganise, mwakwataganisa, tine echirabarema." And so I would like to encourage my siblings that we carry on in this light and in this example. There are many present here today that will hold us accountable. Men and women who loved my father, who knew him personally, as they have shared throughout the speeches this week. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank a special group of people. The first of them being the first responders. Those are the people that arrived on the scene and helped out. They helped our loving father to get to the hospitals, amongst other emergencies, Mr. Roland and the team. Yes, the pictures were gruesome, they were difficult to look at, but they enabled us, especially those who were abroad, to make the necessary phone calls in that difficult moment. Thank you. Secondly, I would like to thank the team that has been tirelessly working to support our family from the time the news broke to this day. Mr. Chris Kejuka, Honorable Deputy Speaker and Committee, friends of the family, family members, and others, thank you. In a very special way, I would also like to thank our mother, Mrs. Nyegamahe. Thank you. Thank you for your time and the time that you've afforded us with Dad. Thank you for loving him. Thank you for loving us. May the Lord bless you and continue to strengthen you. We love you. We have lost a father, but I leave you with these words of hope and encouragement from Psalm 68, verses 5 to 6. It reads, "He is a father to the fatherless, a defender of widows, is God in his holy dwelling. God sets the lonely in families. We may feel lonely, but we are not alone. God is with us. Rest well, our beloved Father. We love you. We will miss you."
Za simwakajise ahaba GNTV agarkost.
Nunga desaya umugenzi mukama yongere kumuhuza ombusenge cyo kumuzamo makuru kandi urwo mu rurembo rwa Kampala agakirwa k'ishingiro akarukora